Rostec has demonstrated the joint operation of a Msta-S self-propelled howitzer, modernized for NATO-standard 155mm caliber, and Orlan-10E reconnaissance drone to representatives of a foreign customer. During the demonstration, the artillery system created by Uraltransmash, a subsidiary of UralVagonZavod under Rostec State Corporation, fired at a maximum range of 40 kilometers and showed excellent coordination capabilities with the UAV. The demonstration took place at the Staratel training ground near the city of Nizhny Tagil. The combat capabilities of the modernized 155mm self-propelled howitzer were demonstrated to a foreign customer. It fired at a maximum distance of 40 km. Msta-S also showed excellent results when used in coordination with a control system and an Orlan-10E UAV. In this mode, the drone can transfer target coordinates to the control system, which calculates the proper firing arc and sends the data to the crew of the self-propelled howitzer.